run it, run it, run it, run it. I rock, I roll, I bloom, I grow, I glow. I rock, I roll, what you say? I bloom, I glow, I glow. I rock, I roll, no, no, I bloom, I glow, I glow. I rock, I roll, one more time, I bloom, I glow. Let's go.
Ain't nobody fucking with T, but that just may be my ego. But don't be too cool, you might freeze, because niggas get stuck in the cold.
Shit weighs a ton, water your garden, my nigga.
Stun on these niggas.
Tell these black kids they could be who they are. Dye your hair blue, shit, I'll do it too. Look, I smell like Chanel. I never mark up with my manicure nails. I coconut oil the skin. I keep the top low cause the follicle's thinning. But other than that, man, it feels like I'm winning. Went from statistic to millionaire. Seeing and doubting cause my skin is dark. Then they forget when I get in my car.
I'm leaning out the window, OJ shining on me, Samsung shining on me, slick surface flow, bro, off this world. Run it, run it, run it, yeah.
I glow,
I glow.
I rock, I roll, what you say? I bloom, I glow,
I glow.
I rock, I roll, no, no, I bloom, I grow,
I grow.
I rock, I roll, one more time, I bloom,
Let's go.
Flower boy T, nigga, that's me. Rooted from the bottom, blooming to a tree. Took a little while, nigga, making leaves. Keep it in my branches, family can eat. Favorite color green, energy is strong. Giving niggas life, birdie and the bees. Dropping them seeds now.